¿Listo? Ahí va. What's up, friends? It's JC from King of the COOP. Right now I'm at work. I'm gonna do some news briefs because there's a hurricane in my area. It's affecting Corpus, Rio Grande Valley, and Star, Cameron, and Laredo. So check it out. This is what I do. Somebody, sir? Ready? Somebody? Somebody mic check? Mic 2.
4, compadrito.
No, tienes el 2.
¿Perdón?
Tienes el 2.
¿Tengo el 2?
Sí.
Sí, sí, el 2, perdón.
Ahí va. Standby. Todo here. Ahí va. En 3, 2, Q.
Gracias por su preferencia, muy buenas noches. La actividad de lluvia continúa con la presencia lejana sobre lo que es el Valle de Texas. Tenemos varias alertas y advertencias. En primera instancia, un aviso de tornado en dirección hacia lo que es el norte de la región. La alerta de tornado, que prevén condiciones posibles, se estaría desarrollando para gran parte del sector costero y todo lo que es el Valle de Texas, así como el área oeste. También advertencias y advertencias hacia lo que corresponde el sector del condado de Cameron. Más detalles en los espacios informativos de las redes sociales.
¿Una vez más?
Sí, me pasé, ¿verdad?
Yes, sir.
Ok, déjame más rapidito.
Alright. En 3, 2, Q.
Gracias por su preferencia. Les saluda Eric Sierra. El Servicio Nacional de Meteorología mantiene diversas advertencias y alertas en nuestra región debido a la presencia lejana. Observamos lluvia intensa, algunos acumulados considerables en gran parte del sector central.
Is there a 30-second breeze? I'm only going to give him at 23 seconds, I give him a 5, so you can wrap it up.
Hasta las 9 de la mañana, tomen sus precauciones porque el fuerte viento y la presencia de infecciones
4, 3, 2, and clear. That's it, friends. That's the way to do it. And this is what I do.
¿No?
This is my work. And
Yo ando reporteando.
let me turn off this.
¿Sí?
Okay. This is what I do throughout the week. Today, Saturday, I'm doing it because we're short staff because of pandemic. So there's a little taste of what I do. I do other things. I do graphics. Sorry that I'm meeting earlier today since I haven't gone home. I've been here since 11 a.m. and it's already 11:30 p.m. A lady from sales brought us some lunch plates, and that's what I'm eating right now. There was an avocado, some chicken, and some beef, as you can see. And I used to go outside as a photog, not anymore. It's different now. I took out the position as a technical director, and you all know that I have chickens, and I got some quail also. I got those animals because when I leave from here, I'm kind of stressed, so I go straight to my animals. My chickens, go check them out, water them, feed them, make sure they're alive, especially my quail, the same thing. So it helps me when I leave from here, from the station, and I just relax, and I try not to get this job to get me all stressed out. In the past, I used to be very stressed out when I first started back in '99. So I've been doing pretty good with my animals, and if y'all stressed out, you all can get yourself a dog, cat. If you already have those type of animals, pets, try to get a chicken. Don't get a rooster. I took off my light. I love this job, but it's time to go home, and it's freaking raining out there. Good thing my Osmo Action is waterproof. Alright, let's go check it out. avocado. Oh, there you go. Whew. It is bad, guys. Strong winds. We hardly get these in this area. There's hardly any people right now. Oh shit, there it is. You saw that? I forgot about that. You gotta get in the middle of the road because got me. Whew, got scared there. I forgot about that area. It's a low dip on the bottom. There we go again. Gonna get it on this side because go kind of. Oh, I see people outside walking around. What the heck they're doing? I don't know. Well, guys, that's a little taste of what I do. A lot. People tell me if I like my job. Yes, I do. I love it. I love the excitement, and I enjoy it a lot. And now I have to get out of here and move the trash can because it's right there. So let me get this. Stand by, guys. Bear with me. Let's go. Like I said, good thing my camera, my Osmo Action is waterproof. I won't dip it inside the water, but I'm gonna take care of mine so I don't get wet. I don't want to get sick. And turn off this light and I'm gonna start running. What's up, guys? What are y'all doing?
Playing.
Hey, look, they're playing bingo and I'm over there at work, eh? Oh, yeah. Woo. There's no light, guys. That's why we got candles. Alright, guys, I just got home. I won't be posting this video because there's no electricity. And I'll post it tomorrow morning or sometime during the day. So, alright. This is JC from COOP. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share and tell all your friends. Alright?